What is OcuPrime? Every solution starts with a secret discovery, and something changed in the eye care industry following the discovery of the root cause of most vision problems. It was discovered that most eye problems had their origin from dangerous toxins as a result of free radicals. These toxins are metabolic waste that arises from the body's physiological processes. The solution was obvious: protect the eye from these toxins and flush them out, then the eye would have the power to recover itself, regaining its 20/20 vision. After putting in more work and conducting more tests on individuals with eye problems, with outstanding results, proving the theory works and that the ingredients put together to fight the toxins were effective, it was time to put the formula together in capsules. This gave birth to the OcuPrime eye formula. OcuPrime is the product of a 100% natural blend that targets the real cause of your eyesight loss, weakens and destroys the toxins that have been causing inflammation in your ocular system, and helps you recover 100% of your vision. It is sourced from the purest, highest quality ingredients. The perfect combination of 8 carefully mixed plant extracts and vitamins into an easy-to-swallow capsule to take twice a day became known as OcuPrime. How does OcuPrime work? OcuPrime primarily works to get rid of the root cause of deteriorating vision found to be an accumulation of toxins that particularly affect the eyes. Step 1. Your body absorbs the powerful nutrients. Once you've taken the first capsule of OcuPrime, the nutrient absorption process begins. This blend contains highly effective ingredients and vitamins sourced from specific places like Africa, Asia, Northern Europe, and even the Earth's biggest rainforest in Brazil. All these nutrients are crucial for doing 2 things. First, they flush out the toxic microbes that have been causing the eyesight damaging inflammation. Second, they nourish, repair your eyes and restore your vision. Since they are 100% natural and have been selected due to their purity, your body will immediately start absorbing them, and the eye cleansing and sight restoration process will begin immediately. Step 2. The eye's suffocating inflammation stops. Once your body has absorbed all these powerful nutrients, the inflammation stops in your ocular system. For your body to have the power to tear down the inflammation, the eye's pathways need to stay alert and strong 24/7 and your immune system at its peak. To achieve this, a powerful herb known as quercetin was added to OcuPrime ingredients. It helps to shield the eye from toxic substances and also strengthens vision. This amazing remedy will empower the eye itself and can start sending purifying signals through your bloodstream and guts. Step 3. Once inflammation vanishes, your eyes start to heal and repair. To help you eliminate the inflammation from your body, a proprietary mixture of 8 ingredients was carefully selected to repair, shield, and hasten the healing process of the eyes. How to use OcuPrime. To achieve optimal results, we recommend you take 1 power capsule after breakfast and another after dinner daily, with a big glass of water. It should provide you with the necessary energy intake as well as extra protection against dangerous toxins. OcuPrime is a 100% natural supplement which contains all the powerful ingredients from these superfoods plus a mix of specific vitamins to boost their power. Once you start taking OcuPrime, it will form a natural immune barrier to protect your eyes from the toxin infestation and start to repair the damage it has caused. And after these dangerous chemicals are flushed out of your system, your vision will start to improve in almost no time. And you'll be back to the 20/20 crystal clear vision you deserved from the moment you were born. Final verdict. OcuPrime reviews. This eye supplement is highly recommended in the eye care industry. Thousands of customers have had their vision improve significantly thanks to OcuPrime and its natural proprietary blend of ingredients. The ingredients are proven to specifically promote better vision. This offer is limited due to the high demand for this product. The use of natural herbs in the manufacturing of this eye supplement has reduced the risk of any side effects. If you decide to try out this product, the money-back guarantee means you are not going to risk losing your money. Links have been made available throughout this review to give you access to the OcuPrime official website, where your discount will be waiting.